Welcome to the channel. Today we are opening a thing. Hey, I'm Kevin. This is something that I ordered on Kickstarter in July of 2021, so it's been almost a year. I got it probably about a month ago, been waiting to open it up, but I thought, why not do it on the channel? This is definitely something that, fits who I am and who I want to be. It is meant to be entirely sustainable. The company that produces it has a very circular mission, trying to make sure that we use waste wherever we can. And then whatever we produce with that waste can also be recycled and reused. So let's take a look. Even there, this film is 100% natural and compostable. I hope that applies to the plastic and not just the tape. I will look into that at some point. It feels like it may be compostable. Very thin. And this may go on record as being the most inefficient unboxing in the history of the world. I guess I could get it open here, but we're gonna take it all the way off so we can see their pretty little box. Okay, we'll save all of this. I do have a composter at home, so this will go into the composter. And here we have it. It is called the Ohmie. It is by a company named Krill Design, based, I believe, out of Italy. It's a lovely little box, very decorated. Let's see, let's read their label. Krill Design, from trash to treasure. I'll put the link to their site down below in the description. This says www.krilldesign.net. And this is called Ohmie the Orange Lamp. Let's take a look here. To be honest, I'm intrigued by anything that claims to be entirely sustainable. Thank you. You are now a paladin of the design revolution. Together we are making a statement showing that home goods can be sustainable and beautiful. I like that. I like being a paladin of a design revolution. Especially a design revolution that is intended to reduce our use of plastics and things that aren't healthy for the environment and aren't often recycled the way they ought to be. So let's see what we got here. All right, lovely orange box. Let's read it real quick. Organic and 3D printed in a fully circular loop. The world's first lamp from reclaimed orange peels. That's just cool. I don't know how else to describe it. We can put that up there. It's probably out of focus, but that's all right. All right. The one question I had is regarding the electronics, because I don't think electronics are compostable. This. Another bonus, no assembly required. All right, so let's take a look here. It's not very big, it's, The plug we've got is a USB. From what I know, this is a 1 watt LED with a brightness of 70 to 90 lumens, so not terribly bright, but it is a desk lamp. It's not meant to light up your whole room. Give me a minute, I will figure out where to plug this in. Okay, I'm back. I got plugs. I did not anticipate the USB port. Let's plug that in there. Ooh, look at that. Just turns right on. All right, so while I was up looking for a plug, I pulled up a bit of information on Ohmie just so I could, make sure I get it right. Ohmie is the first fully circular lamp built entirely from orange peels, created through 3D printing. The biopolymer used is composed of dried and ground orange peels, plus an organic biopolymer base, obtained from bacterial fermentation of vegetable starches. I am not a chemist. You can see, if you look at it up close, you can see the 3D printing lines, the different layers being applied, but not in a way that makes it look cheap, right? Like anybody who's done 3D printing knows that, those things come off of the printer and you can see the layer lines, especially if you don't have the settings low enough and the detail fine enough. But with the orange peel, it just looks like a very natural texture. I really like it. You can see the back, little Krill Design Ohmie logo on it. It's very light. I think it's probably hollow on the inside or some sort of, percentage fill you get from 3D printing. It feels solid enough. Like this would be a perfect little desk lamp. It's light. And I guess the way it works is, for fully, we talk about sustainability and reusability. The electronics are going to pull right out of here. And then you can pop the plug out, pop the bulb out from the front, discard the lamp, replace it without the electronics, and put that same bulb right back in. I would imagine they're going to release different shapes, different designs, and that would be pretty cool because then you could, if you get tired of this look, compost it, get a new design, reuse the electronics, so you're really cutting down on the waste. Electronics waste is such a huge problem these days. The material feels like a denser styrofoam almost. I don't think foam is the right word. This wouldn't be this doesn't feel like foam. It's much too solid. It has the strength of styrofoam, but is denser. If you had just handed it to me, I would never guess that this is 3D printed. I certainly wouldn't guess that it's 3D printed from inedible orange peels. I'm not sure if you can buy the filaments separately. I know during the manufacturing of the lamps following the Kickstarter, they hit orange peel shortages. They're sourcing from southern Italy, and I guess if oranges aren't selling or it's the wrong type of year, oranges being rather seasonal, you could run into supply problems. I would love to be able to buy the Recryl filament for my 3D printer. Like I said, I don't know if it would work. So the cool thing about the company Krill Design is they're really attempting to not only create products that are sustainable and reusable and compostable, but they're trying to make their entire manufacturing process function the same way with as little waste as possible. And for what it is, it's fantastic. This is a great little lamp made entirely of compostable, recyclable material. And I think that is, a mission that's worth supporting. So as always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, if you want to see more, please click that subscribe button, give me a like, and I'll try to find more interesting products like the Ohmie to highlight on the channel. Thank you, and take care. Okay, this is a little bonus really quick. I've cut up all of that packaging and dropped a whole bunch of it on the floor, but we're gonna put it in the composter. It's maybe too much. Good thing I spilled so much. But got this in here with some coffee beans and an orange peel. We're gonna turn it on and we're gonna compost it. And in a minute, you'll find out if it worked. Ah. This is a Ohmie composter, another Kickstarter. Works great. Let's give it some time. Okay, here we are a few hours later, and we're gonna see if the Ohmie fully compostable packaging material composted. Set that there and see what we got here. Oh, it's hot. Not sure it liked it. Take a look inside there. That's what's left. All that plastic turns into compostable mush. So they weren't kidding. The packaging material for the Ohmie orange lamp was fully compostable. Good job, everybody. Take care.